Hi, in this video you will learn how to use Panaway essential oil to help heal your hemorrhoids. You are going to learn how to apply and how to dilute the oil correctly. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you find this video helpful to you. If you are constantly searching the internet for a solution to the pain that hemorrhoids causing you, maybe you should need to try Panaway essential oil. It has done wonders for many that suffers from hemorrhoids. Panaway can be used applied directly on the affected area, but always remember to dilute 4:1 with a carrier oil. Panaway can also be used for soaking the effector area in a sitz bath with warm water. Panaway is a popular essential oil blend that is used on many occasions. The oil is great for many skin issues due to their different abilities to soothe your skin. This particular essential oil is a mixture of several different combinations of essential oils. The Panaway blend includes Peppermint, Wintergreen, Helichrysum and Clove essential oils. The oil can be applied to the outer skin and on muscles to deal with different types of problems. Panaway helps to deal with inflammations along with spasms and reducing strains. And using essential oils on hemorrhoids is not a new thing. Panaway for hemorrhoids. These awesome essential oils work amazingly well as natural remedies on hemorrhoids, and that's not all. And since Panaway is a combination of some amazing essential oils, their combo works pretty well on dealing with hemorrhoids to heal super fast and efficiently. And we'll talk about how Panaway is one of the best ways to deal with hemorrhoids right below. Is Panaway good for hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are a very irritating condition a lot of middle-aged people suffer from, and they often don't deal with it sooner. Mostly because a lot of us find it embarrassing to talk about, and that's how this issue stays untreated for years after years. Although if you can identify the early symptoms of hemorrhoids and take some easy precautions, it can be dealt with very easily. Using natural remedies and changes in your dietary plans can drastically reduce the symptoms of hemorrhoids. And the most important part is, changing some simple lifestyles can help you heal manageable hemorrhoids completely. Using Panaway for dealing with hemorrhoids has shown rapid results on healing it, and that's not bragging. There are several ways you can use Panaway to deal with hemorrhoids, including taking Panaway mixed baths and using diluted Panaway on your hemorrhoids. Panaway can indeed help you with your existing hemorrhoids condition without causing bad side effects. But you'll have to follow some guidelines before using Panaway on your hemorrhoids, and we'll talk even more about it down below. Can you put Panaway in the bath or in sitz baths? Essential oils are highly concentrated and they're used in many ways. And just like that, you can always use Panaway in different ways to fight against hemorrhoids. Doctors recommend taking hot baths or sitting in warm water before a bowel movement is very effective. Lukewarm water reduces the overall strains caused by hemorrhoids, and it allows the stool to pass smoothly. But if you mix Panaway with your usual lukewarm bathwater, it becomes even more effective. Since Panaway is a combination of multiple essential oils, they all have their roles to play. Mostly they reduce the strains from your anal canal and rehydrates it, since hemorrhoids can cause a lot of irritation. The anal canal becomes very dry and strained because of hemorrhoids, and severe bleeding sessions can be caused by it. And the result isn't enjoyable, and the bleeding sessions can leave you in a very fatigued condition. So, taking Panaway along with your bathwater can reduce a lot of symptoms drastically without any kind of issue. Panaway will heal your condition with its anti-inflammatory and healing abilities. Can you put Panaway directly on the skin? Applying Panaway directly on your skin is a bit risky. Just because it's all natural doesn't mean that it cannot have any side effects. Panaway, like any other essential oils, is a highly concentrated plant extract, and they're also very potent. Since Panaway has multiple essential oils in it, and problems can happen if you're allergic to any one of the ingredients. Although you can use a diluted form of Panaway to use directly on hemorrhoids and get very promising results. So, in other words, taking Panaway directly on your skin, or your hemorrhoids, can be a bit risky. They can often cause some irritating side effects that we don't want to have. I mean, hemorrhoids is already an annoying condition to have. Using Panaway directly on it might cause it to trigger even more symptoms. And that can worsen your condition of hemorrhoids instead of helping it to heal faster. This recipe that has done miracles for many that suffers from hemorrhoids. Just make sure you find the 100% pure and not have been added with some synthetic additives. 16 drops of Panaway, 8 drops of geranium, 8 drops of cypress. After that, just add some carrier oil such as jojoba or olive oil works fine. Try first with 8 drops. If you are okay with that, you can try smaller amounts of carrier oil. Mix the solution well. Apply this topically several times a day. Within a few days you should start to see results. How do you dilute Panaway? You can always see throughout the internet about not to use undiluted essential oils on your skin, and that's because they're highly concentrated. They're extremely potent but rarely cause some irritating side effects to some people. Can I use Panaway without a carrier oil? Since Panaway is made of multiple essential oils, you'll have to use mild concentrated forms of it to deal with your hemorrhoid problems. You can always use diluted forms of Panaway to use directly on your hemorrhoids. Mostly, Panaway can be diluted using carrier oils, as you can dilute other essential oils in the market. Carrier oils are pretty much vegetable oils that are extracted from different seeds and nuts. Carrier oils to dilute with Panaway. Jojoba oil, healing and moisturizing for all skin types. Rosehip seed oil, calms inflammation and redness. Argan oil. Tamanu oil, good healing properties for irritated and inflamed skin. Avocado oil, rich in antioxidants, good for inflammations. Olive oil, dries slower. Now you'll have to always figure out how much you should use which oil on the mixture. Here's an easy way to dilute Panaway for using it on your hemorrhoids. You'll have to take 4 drops of vegetable oil first and add only 1 drop of Panaway to the mixture, 4:1. Good, your Panaway is now diluted and now you can use it on your hemorrhoids. You can likewise use this diluted Panaway to deal with your hemorrhoids. What are the side effects of Panaway? Although Panaway is a combo of multiple essential oils, meaning it's all natural, it's not free of side effects. If you use them in the wrong ways or more than you need, it can cause a lot of multiple side effects, which is not what we want. The side effects can be experienced very rarely. If you use Panaway according to the guidelines, you'll have no problems whatsoever. And here are some side effects you may experience if you're allergic to any of its ingredients, or use it more than you need. Inflammation or pain on your skin that can last for a week or more. Worsening your hemorrhoids problem and fastening the condition. Increase in constipation and strains inside the anal canal, causing strains and leading to a bleeding session. Using Panaway on your hemorrhoids in the right ways won't cause any serious side effects, and even it shows side effects, they're infrequent. Although you'll have to be more careful on using it to get the most benefits out of it. Always use it accordingly and regularly to let it work efficiently for healing your hemorrhoids. If you face any severe side effects, stop using Panaway immediately. You may react to some of the oils in the blend. But if it works for you, then, by all means, carry on using it the way you're using it. Thanks for watching. I hope you got help from this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to get new videos when they come out. For more articles on hemorrhoids, please visit healmyhemorrhoids.com.